Hello everyone, I am Miss Pallavi Shezwar and today I am going to discuss on implicit function. See the contents. What is explicit function? Then we see implicit function. Why implicit differentiation? Implicit differentiation, process for implicit differentiation, examples. First we see what is explicit function. If in a function the dependent variable y can be explicitly written in terms of independent variable x, that is, the term of x must not involve y in any manner, then this function called explicit function. For example, y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 8. Y is a dependent variable and is given in terms of the independent variable x. Next we see what is implicit function. If the dependent variable y and independent variable x are so convoluted in an equation that y cannot be written explicitly. See, y cannot be written explicitly as function of x, then f of x is said to be an implicit function. For example, x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse of xy. Why? We use the implicit differentiation when an applied problem involves an equation not in explicit form. Implicit differentiation is used to locate extrema or to find rates of change. In many examples, especially the ones derived from differential equations, the variables involved are not linked to each other in an explicit way. Most of the time, they are linked through an implicit formula like f of xy is equal to 0. Once x is fixed, we may find y through numerical computation. Next we see implicit differentiation. We suppose that an equation of the form f of xy is equal to 0 defines y implicitly as a differentiable function of x, that is, y is equal to f of x, where f of x is equal to 0 for all x in the domain of f. If f is a differentiation, we can apply case first of chain rule. In previous video, we have seen the chain rule case first. To the differentiate both sides of the equation f of xy is equal to 0 with respect to x. Apply this chain rule, dy by x dx upon dx plus dy by y dy upon dy is equal to 0. This formula gives dy by dx is equal to minus dy by x upon dy by y. Process for implicit differentiation. First, to find dy by dx, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Y is assumed to be a function of x, so dy by dx. Collect like terms, or dy by dx on the same side, everything else on the other side. Factor out the dy by dx and solve for dy by dx. See the example. Find dy by dx if 3xy plus 4y square is equal to 10. Solution: differentiate both sides with respect to x. After differentiating dy by dx, 3xy plus 4y square is equal to dy dx of 10. Use the product rule for 3xy. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Use the product rule. First function constant 3x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of 3x is 3 plus derivative of 4y square is 8y dy by dx. 10 is a constant, therefore its derivative equal to 0. Collect the all terms of dy by dx, that means 3x plus 8y into dy by dx is equal to minus 3y. So dy by dx is equal to minus 3y upon 3x plus 8y. Example number second. If u is equal to x log y log of xy, where x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is equal to 1, find du by dx. In this example, f of xy is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy minus 1. Dy by dx is equal to minus dy by x upon dy by y. So minus dy by x, that means 3x square plus 3y upon dy by y, that means 3y square plus 3x. So dy by dx we get x square plus y upon y square plus x. Also, du by dx is equal to dy by u by x plus dy by u by y into dy by dx. Dy by u by x log of xy plus x into 1 upon xy into y plus x into 1 upon xy into x dy by dx. So log of xy plus 1 plus x upon y dy by dx. So from first we know what is the dy by dx. Substitute the value of dy by dx. Log of xy plus 1 plus x upon y. Dy by dx is minus x square plus y upon y square plus x. So du by dx we get 1 plus log of xy minus x into x square plus y upon y square x. So in this video we have seen what is the implicit differentiation. Thank you.